That was a good counter with Antoine. Ang pangalan?
Antoine. Miguel Antoine. Hands of Stone. He's got 17 wins, no loss, 50% knockout rate. He KO'd 9 of his opponents before the 5th round. Si Pagara is 29-2 with 18 KOs.
Good left. He hurt him. He hurt him with that left.
He thought it was a headbutt too. Akala niya headbutt eh. Pero yung hook, nang hook.
So Pagara. Wow, mga malalakas tumira.
Seryosohan talaga to.
Itong dalawa.
Solid.
Dapat Pagara, relax muna siya. Relax muna. Kasi gusto niya talagang in-knockout itong si Antoine.
Yeah. Mukhang gigil na gigil eh.
Gigil talaga.
Earlier in the locker, so he was speaking to their psychologist na talks to them para to stop.
That was a good straight for Antoine.
You know, he may be from Barbados and they play cricket, but he looks like a fairly decent boxer.
He is a very decent boxer. Makikita mo marunong sa mag-counter eh.
Oo.
Yeah, look at that.
They're very evenly, no? They're very evenly. Yung style nila eh. Marunong mag-counter. They're not too overly fast, but malakas lang dalawa.
Yeah.
Jason needs to throw that jab, no? Kailangan niya mag-jab para ma-set up yung straight.
And he has the reach to do.
So kulang yung jab, no? Just going for the
jab talaga, ma-set up mo talaga yung lahat.
Nice counter again mula kay Antoine. Medyo lumalabas yung niya sa likod. Is that bothersome? No.
Hindi naman. Actually, Jason is doing good with the head movement. Mako-confuse mo kalaban mo yun eh, di ba?
Right, step back.
Philippines in red. Barbados naka-blue. The crowd is liking this fight.
Down. Running with the left.
Knockdown para kay Pagara from the Philippines.
I guess he's not better than Pacquiao or Mayweather, no? Wala na eh.
It's it.
He's over.
First round. Oh, wow. So, madaling. I thought it was going to be closer than that.
Sabi niya, he wants to challenge Pacquiao, and sinabi niya, he's better than Mayweather. The weather was something wrong with the weather for him.
He's from Barbados, maybe.
Okay, so dalawang panalo na para sa Pilipinas.
In the back of the head, but unintentional, no? But that's lahat ng mga tao, lahat ng mga boxer, pag matamaan sa back of the head, para kang na-electric shock yun eh. Kaya nga nawala siya.
Totoo yan.
Pero before that, meron na siyang yung
wala talaga yung lahat ng katawan mo.
Yeah.
Nagsasaya ngayon si Jason Pagara, and he has good reason to smile. That was I'm sure he didn't expect it to be that fast.
It was actually a very dangerous fight, no? Kasi malakas din itong si Antoine.
I thought he would be in for a hard fight kasi
and maganda yung mga counter ni Antoine,
Maganda nga eh.
Okay, let's go to Ted Lerner now.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Bruce McTavish reaches the count of 10. The time, 2:48 of the very first round. Your winner by knockout, the Philippines, Jason Pagara.
Big win.